Welcome students. Let us solve some numericals of your capacitance, right? So let us review something. You know what is a series connection? Series connection is nothing but if this is point A and from here one capacitor is connected like this, another capacitor is connected like this, another capacitor is connected like this, means in series if they are connected, then it is called as a C1, C2, C3. This is called as a series connection, right? And what is a parallel connection is if this is A and this is B, so like this. So what is the basic difference between the series and a parallel connection is there is only a single way to go from A to B, that is this is only the one way. But if you compare with the parallel connection, there will be three ways or more ways are there to go from one point to the other point. How many ways are there? Just check it out. This is one way to go to B, this is another way to go to B, and this is another way to go to B. The simple difference is that series connection is only having one way to go to the terminal, from one terminal to the other terminal, and in parallel connection there will be several ways to go from one terminal to other terminal. So now let us solve this simple one. Okay, and it is asked find out the equivalent capacitance between point A and B. Between point A and B we need to find. Okay, so let us start. Okay, from A, if I will start, let us solve this section first, this top section, top box. Okay, from A if I will start, if I want to go to B, this is one way, right? And from A to B, this also another way to go to B. Yes or no? From A if I will start, this is also another way to go to B. So these two are now parallel with this one, right? Because these are two ways, but these two are in series. Okay, so we can write series formula is what? Let us take it this one as C dash. Okay, so C dash is in series, so I can write 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. So this is 1 plus of 1, answer is 2. What answer is equal to 2? 1 by C dash is equal to 2. So what is C dash? 1 by 2. Okay, this I got for this one only. Okay, now this is parallel with this one, right? Let us take it as C double dash. Okay, so C dash is in parallel with C double dash, so we can write it as this 1 by 2 is in parallel with 1 microfarad, 1, right? 1 microfarad, 1 micro, everywhere 1 microfarad is present. Parallel formula is only to add 1 by 2 plus 1 is how much? 3 by 2. Parallel is what? Parallel is only to add. In series connection only addition in parallel case, but in series case the fractions will be added, right? So we got the answer 3 by 2 microfarad. So here these two I have solved, and I got for this section I have the answer as 3 by 2 microfarad. So here I got 3 by 2 microfarad. Where? Both of these I solved, and here I got the answer, right? Equivalent capacitance at this point, right? So now check. This 3 by 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad are in series or parallel. Definitely they are in series, because this is the only one way. If you start from A, this is the one way 3 by 2, and then it is going through 1 microfarad and going to B. So it is only a single way. If single way, so what kind of connection? So the answer is C equivalent is equal to 3 by 2 is in series with 1 microfarad, right? So it can be solved. The series formula is 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, right? So this will be 3 by 2, this will be right, this is 3 by 2 whole divided by 5 by 2. If you will solve, you will get the answer. Let us solve another one. Find the total charge flowing if potential is 12 volt. If the potential difference is 12 volt, that means in between this A to B you need to find out first equivalent capacitance, and then you have to put the formula of voltage. C equal to Q into V, so V equal to C by Q. So how to solve this one? Let us solve one section. Okay, let us solve first this one. Okay, from A, if I want to go to B, how can I will go? From A I will start, then I will go this side, then I will reach at point B. This is one way. And from A, if I will start, then also I will go like this 2 microfarad, and again I will reach at B. Yes or no? So this 4 microfarad and 2 microfarad is parallel or series? Definitely it is a parallel, because these are two alternative waves, right? If there are two alternative waves, then I can write it as this one, as I will draw like this. Okay, and this is the midpoint. Okay, this. Okay, this is point A, this is 4 microfarad, this is 2 microfarad. Let us draw a simple diagram. Okay, now let us check this section. Okay, from A to B, how I will go? From A I will start, I will cross 2 microfarad, then again I will cross 2 microfarad in the same line, and I will reach at B. That means which kind of connection is this? Series connection, because this is only a single way, right? So here is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint, and after that here it will be 2 microfarad, and this is point B, right? Now let us come to this last section. Okay, A to, if I want to go from A to B, I will start from A and I will cross 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad in series, and I will go to B. This is a series connection. What is the alternative way? I will start from A, I will cross 2 microfarad and I will reach again at B. That means these two are two different paths, which are this path and this path are two different ways. So these are parallel in nature, right? So where I will draw, and between which and which it is? Between A and B. Between A and B your 2 microfarad is present. So between A and B your 2 microfarad is present, right? So let us solve. How can I will solve? These two are in parallel, right? So 4 plus up 2 is 6. So C1 equal to 4 plus up 2 equal to 6. 6 is in series with 2 microfarad. So if I will find out this C2, this one I have taken as C1. This section I will take at C2. So 1 by C2, as these are in series, so formula is Already I got 6 here. Where? Here. Here I got 6. Okay. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by C2 equal to 0.66. So C2 equal to 1 by 0.66. So answer is 1.51. Now, again, this answer, this whole answer is in parallel with this one. So if parallel, there will be a simple addition. What answer I got between this and this? Answer I got is 1.51. Okay, the total answer I got is 1.51. So 1.51. This and this answer is how much? 1.51, right? So this is in parallel with which one? This one, because this is one way to go to B and this is another way to go to B. So 1.5 is parallel with 2 microfarad. So what is the C net answer, final answer? 1.51 plus 2. As this is a parallel connection, so simple addition equal to 2.51 microfarad, right? Always remember, if it is a series connection, then fraction addition. If it is a parallel connection, then there is a simple addition. So finally we need to find out the total charge flowing if potential is 12 volt. So V is 12 and C we got how much? 2.51. So what is the formula of Q? Charge formula CV. So 12 into 2.51. This is your answer, right? Coulomb.